Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 22nd of August 2019. This is our second strategy. Like I said earlier, we're going to drop two strategies today. The first strategy has been posted on the old channel. That's the binary options the binary options digits under tick strategies, and also the digits over strategy. They've been posted in the new channel today. So this is the second strategy. This strategy will be posted in the new channel, so make sure you subscribe to both channels. Make sure you subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. So to watch the first strategy, these are the URL to the two channels. This is the old channel and this is the new channel. Just click on the link. All this information will be pasted in the video descriptions of both videos that we dropped today, 22nd of August 2019. So these are the informations right here. These are the informations. So I need to do this. So these are forum URL, so you can sign up here to read the tutorials as well. So let's get back to the trading. Okay, so here we are starting with 43809.95. Okay, 43809.95. So right now I'm going to set the timer. I've set the timer already. So we're going to open volatility 10 index. So this strategy is a safe for newbies, so because we are going to stay low in this strategy to control or risk. So here we are going to click on touch, no touch, then we are going to click on no touch. We are going to set this to 8 ticks, then we are going to set the barrier offset to +1. Yes, we are going to leave this in 10 USD. So actually we are going to be making small amounts, but the strategy is guaranteed. If you watch carefully, it's guaranteed. So we are going for trade number 1. So what we are going to be working with is this figure. We are going to watch it drop. Once it drops, you can see it's in 800 and something. Once it drops to maybe 1 or between 1 to 100, we click on purchase. So we have to watch it. It's 500 now. These last three numbers. Once it drops to like maybe 0 to 100, it's between 0 to 100. You can see it's 171. If it's between 0 to 100, we click on purchase. That's 122. 122, 150, that's 96, that's 096. So let me start the timer. So I click on purchase. Okay. So that's our first trade. So we'll go for trade number 2 after this. Okay. So we have to wait for it to drop again. It's in 380 something, 463. That's the last three numbers. If it's between 0 to 100, we'll click on purchase. 495, 056, click on purchase. So after this, we go for the third trade. The second trade, we are going for the third trade. So watch it again. 054. Let's wait again for it to change. 908, 017. So after this, we go for the fourth trade. This is the number. We are watching the barrier number. That's the last three numbers showing on the barrier. If it's between 0 to 100. So we want that trade too. You can stake high amount if you want. You can stake low amount if you want. So the 789022, we click on purchase. So after this, we go for the fifth trade. going for the fifth trade after this. So we watch the numbers again. 098, we click on purchase. So after this we go for the sixth trade. So we want the sixth trade, we go for seventh trade now. So we have to watch this number again. 806, that's the last three numbers here. This number, once it's between 0 to 100, that's 066. So that's the seventh trade. After this we are going for the eighth trade. Then we do two more trades and we'll stop. So 073. You can click on purchase, you can wait again for it to change. 055, we click on purchase. So that's the eighth trade. After this we go for the ninth trade. Okay, so we want the eighth trade, we are going for the ninth trade. So after the ninth trade we go for the last trade. So 244, 105, 890, 704, 909, 099. So if the last three number is between 0 to 100, we click on purchase. So after this one we are placing the final trade. So if you do the maths, you trade 10 times, just multiply the profit by 10, you see what we made in the strategy, because you can see we are going for the last, so you can see we won all the strategy, all the trades, sorry. So after we are going for the last trade. So once the last three numbers is between 0 to 100, 643, 837, 589, 315, 231, 170, 224, so that's 060. We click on purchase. That's the last trade. Trade. So let's wait for the outcome. So as you can see, we want all the 10 trades, so we're going to stop right here. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you watch the first strategy, that one you make more money. That's the binary options, digits under / digit over. We posted it on the new channel today, so watch that one as well today and apply both. So just check the video description to see the links of both videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.